Hello students, welcome to SST online class. Today we are going to learn chapter 5, Motions of the Earth. In this chapter we will learn about rotation. Rotation causes day and night. Revolution. Revolution causes seasons. Seasons, equinox and solstice. Now I am going to explain it one by one. As we know that Earth is moving all the time. And the Earth shows two types of motions or movements, namely rotation and revolution. So first we have to understand about the Earth's axis. Globe is the model of the Earth. You all have seen the globe, and this is the imaginary line which is known as axis, and it runs from North Pole to the South Pole. The axis is not vertical. This is tilted. Okay. The axis is not vertical. This is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree. Remember it. So, the Earth spins round an imaginary line running through the center of the Earth from the North Pole to the South Pole, and this imaginary line is called the axis. And now first we will discuss about rotation. The spinning movement of the Earth from west to east on its own axis is called rotation, and the imaginary line, that is axis of the Earth, is slightly tilted. Now let me explain to you. The Earth rotates from west to east and takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. So, one day and night are of 24 hours. Rotation is the daily motion of the Earth. Next topic is rotation causes day and night. When we wake up early in the morning, we will notice that darkness of the night gradually fades away with the break of the dawn. Gradually, the sun rises in the east and lights up the earth for the entire day. In the evening, the sun sets in the west and night approaches after dusk. In fact, it is the earth that changes its position and not the sun. Now, we will discuss about what is dawn and what is dusk. Let me explain it. The earth rotates on its tilted axis, causes day and night. Due to the spherical shape of the earth, only half of it gets light from the sun at a time. The portion facing the sun experiences daytime in all the countries on this half, and at the same time the countries on the other half, the earth which are away from the sun, experiences night time. So, this is the reason why it is night time in America when it is daytime in here India. Okay? I hope you clear here. Now, what is dawn and dusk? Students, do you know what sunrise and sunsets are called? Sunrise known as dawn, while sunset is known as dusk. Okay? Now, what do you mean by the circle of illumination? The circle that divides the day from night over the earth is called the circle of illumination. It will be very clear in this picture. The imaginary line that separates the lighted portion of the earth, that is daytime, from the dark one, that is night time, is called the circle of illumination. Okay? Children, do you know who stated that the earth is round and rotates on its own axis? Yes, he was the ancient Indian astronomer Aryabhat. So, the second motion of the earth is revolution. The movement of the earth around the sun on a fixed path is known as revolution. The fixed elliptical path along which the earth revolves is called its orbit. Let's explain it. The earth moves very fast. It moves at the speed of 30 km per second. It takes 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, 46 seconds, approx 365 days to complete one revolution. 365 days is taken as a single year. The extra quarter of a day adds up to make a whole day every after 4 years. And the extra day is added to the month of February, which has 29 days. Thus we have a year with 366 days for every 4 years, and it is known as a leap year. Now the remaining part or topics of the chapter we will learn in next video. And question number E, answer these questions. Question number 1, this is your classwork. Okay. 1. Distinguish between rotation and revolution. And 1 and 2. What do you mean by the inclination of the Earth's axis? This is your classwork. You have to do it in your SST notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.